You know what organization you are in? I hope so. What's the name of your organization? Wonderful. Okay. You are junior business executive. So, junior means you start the life of being executive. Huh? I hope everybody knows what is executive since you are already second year college. Are you all second year college? Do we have mixed group here? From first year, may I see the hands? Okay. From second year, may I see the hand? From third year, may I see the hand? From fourth year, may I see the hand? Okay. From first year to fourth year, but I guess more of second year. So second year, you all know about management. Am I right? Yeah. So managers are always ready to rumble. Okay? So one basic example of being a good manager is what is today's happening, right? You are aware that the program should start at 8:30, but unfortunately, most of you came beyond 8:30. So I hope, as executives, you discipline yourself to come ahead of time. No? Who would like to become a successful executive? May I see the hand? You don't like to become a successful executive? I thought you came here because you'd like to become a successful executive. You know what? This is an opening remark. Since I am tasked to deliver only opening remarks, but forgive me to make this not only a remark, but as your dean, I'd like to share with you how and why you are here. Because it's not easy for a dean to gather you as junior executive, business executives, and you yourself, you don't understand what does it mean. So, I hope this will be the first and the last, gathering that we will come up with latecomers. I hope next time when your advisors call for a meeting or whatever incoming activities, the junior business executive will act like one. Can I get your amen to that?
Amen.
Okay, so that's one thing that's a characteristic of an executive, not just executive, but successful executive. So now you are about to face the world of business, right? Yeah, business is not an easy job. It's a very, very competitive task, especially nowadays that we are now facing the global competitiveness. I hope everybody, as young as you are, you have less experience of how business goes. But as you go along, you study business, you can identify how the business should be successful. And it will become successful starting from you. If you are not disciplined person, no business will succeed. Do you get me? Okay? So, even then you would say, ma'am, I'll just study business. I belong to JBC, but I don't like to become a businessman or businesswoman. But I'd like to become a manager. Even then, if you will become a manager, still, you will be a successful manager managing a business if you don't have the self-discipline. Okay? So as you did, I really expect everyone to become a successful manager or a successful businessman or businesswoman. Okay? You start from there. So now, the next thing that I'd like to share with you is that not just being a disciplined person, but honest person. I see your eyeball and I'm so positive to see you, my dear JBE members, that soon, 4 years or 5 years from now, I can see you complete somewhere. Mom, you were the dean of ACT, and now I am the manager of this company. Thank you so much for your reminders that I should be a disciplined and honest person. Remember, you will become, and you starting yourself to become the future of this country. Because if managers and executives are dishonest, what happens to the organization? May it be private or government, if you are dishonest, I'm very sorry to tell you that the organization you will be in will never prosper. So if you have the heart of honesty, what do you think will happen? What do you think will happen to our future? Brighter or darker, or dark as mud? Yes. And I'm calling every one of you to become honest. Sometimes we are dishonest, no? But most of the time, try to convince yourself, you should be honest, I should be honest. You see, our government now is suffering, and not just the government organization, but the entire Filipino citizen because of dishonesty. Okay? So, I'm giving you the example of Mr. Abad. Mr. Abad, even if the case is still, it's still on process, but as executive of the government, specifically in the financial aspect, it is so shameful that the fans of the Filipinos were just, asa na ka ha? Wasa na kay Bao? Kay Bao mo? Wa may paminaw sa Diyos kung asa na atong kwarta? Ha? Asa na atong kwarta? So you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? The executives are very, very vital to the success of the organization. Again, may it be government or private or your own business organization. I hope I was able to impart to you by giving this opening remarks that the success of everybody starts from your end. Of course, with the help of God. I was so touched with that song by Mr. That was a wonderful song.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hosanna in the highest. Meaning, even if you are an executive, even if you are the president, even if you are the leader, there is one somebody up there, highest than we are. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, whatever you do, don't forget that somebody up there, dako, rabang ayong mata. Makakita, di na siya nato, o nag-dishonest na ta. No? Nagunsa na ta sa itong trabaho. Again, I would like to welcome you to the JBE, and I'm so happy to see you guys joining this member of JBE, Junior Business Executives. Expect more events that will enhance your knowledge about business and about being an executive. And for that, I officially welcome you and declare that this orientation officially open. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Dr. Eunice E. Rath, for that went through the program. So we will, to give us an inspirational message, please give a round of applause to Ms. Charsa Carbon.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. Nakakatawa ba? Parang gano'n? Hindi kang Pilipino ang ginagamit? Oo, ngayon ay kalawang araw na ng buwan ng wika. So, sorry, ipagpatawad pa umali. Bago pa man ang lahat, maaari pa ang lahat ay pagdinig ng honest to promise. Ready, go! Honest to promise! Diba? Napakabongga naman ang mensahe ni Ginang na ating Dean, diba? Yun ay para kayo ang magiging magaling na executive. Okay lang ba kung magtatagalog ako? Kadara? Kasi pangalawang araw, gusto kong bulitain natin itapuso natin yung mga talitakuhan na natutunan natin. Okay. Ako ay tinahasan, dito na naman ako, no? Ako ay tinahasan na magbigay ng inspirasyon daw para sa inyo. Isa lang naman talaga ang masasabi ko para madali ang lahat. Ako'y naniniwala, kahit ako'y isang guro, ako'y naniniwala na ang karahasan or experience, kumbaga, siya pa rin magaling, no? Magaling na teacher sa buhay, kumbaga. As a college student, para namang hindi masyadong fun kung lagi ka na lang nagbabasa, nagsusulat, nag-aaral. Kumbaga, kailangan mo rin magbigay ng panahon para sa mga extracurricular na mga gawain. Kasi alam niyo ka, bilitaran na. Kasi alam niyo, yung mga teorya na yan, maaari niyo makalimutan, di ba? Makakalimutan niyo yan eh. Pero ang mga karanasan niyo na magaganda, kahit ilang taon na ang lilipas, kahit puputi na ang iyong mga buhok, patuloy niyang babalik-balikan. Kaya naman, ngayong college, sa kolehiyo, ngayon kayo ay nasa kolehiyo, pasensya na at talaga sinisikap ko maging magsalita ng Tagalog na, di ba? Walang English. Babalik-balikan niyo talaga ang mga magagandang alaala niya. Kasi yung mga libro na yan, pwede nyo basahin ulit. So yung mga karanasan nyo, hindi nyo balikan kasi minsan lang ang buhay nyo sa kolehiyo. Diba? So, minsan lang kayo nagiging 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So, ito, 30 years, ewan mo ano Tagalog dyan, yan ay isang malaking pagkakataon para sa inyong lahat, para maranasan nyo ang mundo talaga ng realidad. Kasi dito, matutunan nyo ang pakikipagkapwa, matutunan nyo kung paano ang tamang ugali, no? Para na yung pagkasunduan. Diba? Hindi lang sa nababasa nyo sa libro, kundi na-a-apply nyo talaga sa totoong buhay. Ganon? Ano nakikinig pa kayo? Hindi, okay naman. Nasa ano pa? Nasa tama pa tayong direksyon. So, kumbaga, hayaan mo ang sarili niyong mag-ibagay sa lahat-lahat. Hayaan niyong maging isa sa mga miyembro ng ating mga organisasyon. Para naman, mas lalo pa kayong mahanas, mas lalo pa kayong matuto, mas lalo pa kung bumuti ang inyong mga ugali. Kasi nandun sa mga aktibidades, nandun sa mga, ano ba yan, yung mga gawain sa organisasyon kung saan yung mapapanatili talaga ang kung paano yung dalhin ang inyong mga sarili. Kaya naman, ngayong nasa kolehiyo kayo, nasa sa inyo ang lahat ng panahon. May panahon para mag-aral, may panahon din naman para kayo ay sumali sa mga contest, sa mga organisasyon, kasi nga, dito nyo ma-enjoy lalo ang buhay bilang estudyante sa kolehiyo. Okay? So yun lang naman, ini-encourage ko kayong lahat na talaga naman ay makisali kasi hindi mo mararamdaman yung mga totoong kaligayahan, ika nga, di ba, kung hindi mo i-fit in yung sarili mo sa isang organisasyon. At sana, nandun tayo sa orientation para malaman nyo na meron pang maraming maibigay sa inyo. Hindi lang magiging cum laude, or magna cum laude, maaari din kayong makatanggap ng mga awards. Tulad na naman ng Leadership Award at saka Service Award. Diba? So, lahat ay may pagkakataong magawaran ng isang mataas na award. Diba? Napakaganda, nakaka-proud pag nakatanggap ka ng isang award bilang, dahil pinaghirapan mo yun eh, di ba? Leadership Award, hindi lahat mabibigyan yan. Pero maaari naman, kung kayong lahat dito ay talagang, diba, isa sa puso ang pagiging membro ng JBE. Alam mo, marami tayong mga aktibidades, diba? Na kaya nga, hinagahan natin ang orientation para mas lalo pang bubungga ang mga darating ng mga activities.
Bongga.
So, ako ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat dahil ang inyong papunta ngayon ay nangangahulugan lamang na kayo talaga ay handang makisali, gumawa at tumulong para sa kaiundan ng ating organisasyon. Kaya naman, lahat kami, ang dean, ang mga guro sa Department of Business Administration ay malugod na nagpapasalamat at nagpupunyagi na kayo ay sumali sa organisasyon. O diba? Ang galing ba? Yun lang naman. Maraming salamat.
Good morning, once again. Good morning, students. Buongiorno, Bella Bello. Okay, so this morning, before, this is just an introduction for our officers. Sad to say, but we have, sa Tagalog pa, maraming bakante. Tagalog na, di ba? So maraming bakanting posisyon para sa inyo. Okay? Hello? Okay. Sige. Okay. Before I introduce the officers, I would say something about being an officer. Okay? An officer is not just a student that, shall we say, apil sa anin, no? Apil-apil lang ta. But I want you to know the use and the privilege or advantages or edge being an officer is this. Let's say, for example, you are, shall we say, applying for a job. You graduated from ACT. Did you try to apply for a job? You're looking for a job. But then, except for those students na naay OJT, on-the-job training. Pero kung itong OJT, but the non-OJT pero gamay, one of the interviews will ask you, do you have any background or any experience doing this job? I want you to know that being an officer is an edge. No? Makapanghinambog ka, makaingon ka sa interviewer, excuse me, I am an officer. I am a JBE officer. Then the interviewer asks you, what's the imong nabuhat being an officer? May nga ka, ako, kung ano naman ko, kanang president, no, sa JBE. Then, pagkatan na rin ka, what have you done being the president? May nga dayon ang bata, no, nang-apply ay, being an officer, being the president, I try na mag-open ko o mga program, outreach program, helping others. Nitabang ko sa organization, not just for our own good, but for the good of the society. That's why every organization in management we have corporate social responsibility, in which tabang sa society. Being an officer as well, makapatabang na ninyo, no, atong bisayon. Because sometimes, no, again, in ACP, English is a medium of instruction. But sometimes, if we speak English all the time, it is hard for us to understand. Ilis kung magbisaya kita, patig yun hangtod bukod. No, doon hangtod sa nerve center. No? Nerve center yun, di ba? Subject entrepreneurship. No? Enter. No? Premise before new is nerve center. Doon hangtod sa bukod. Nerve center ba yun? Business executive ba ta? Di ba? So kana mo na edge ninyong na officer. No? Bisan pa, I want you to know, kung ako ang interviewer, officer ka sa JBA, no more questions at all. I'll hire you on the spot. On the spot ka. That's the edge being an officer. Labi na daghan sa ka na activities giapilan igala. Dili kay officer lang ka. No? O di buhat mo, officer ko. Nag-outer sa list lang, officer lagi ko. Ikaw ka, officer ko. Ha? Di ba lahi ka? Lahi ang officer na nasa field level, officer lang. No? Sinaot konta nga kaya itong bakante na ay okay. I want you to know, in our bylaws, appeal sa, no, ako nang ibuhatan o resolusyon. Correct, no? Correct, Congressman. Di ba? Ibuhatan resolusyon na kitong mahimong presidente sa JBA is free sa graduation fee in-graduate pagala. Ikaw, ganahan ka? Then be an officer. Claro? Sige. Sige niyo mo kanta, di ba? Be an officer. Kaya mo graduate ka, and the president, free ang imong graduation fee. Alright? Ang tuition, imo lang sa mama. Ha? Gusto sila sa mo, ha? Okay. Alright. So, without further ado, let's all welcome the President of the Junior Business Executive, Ms. Jacqueline Bogad. External Vice President, Laika Remiticado. Ato tapon ka na, Treasurer, Claire Ann Danyo. Are you around? Is you around? No? Plural na, are you around? No, Solomon, is you around? Wala na? Okay. Auditor, Ronaldin Tabar. Alright. PRO, Simin Flortili and Janine Kapunay. And internal linkages, Jeremy Manggubat, Mona Desire. Ha? Diba? 3 weeks na Mona Desire. Kita ka? Alright. External linkages, J. Lloyd Nakayana. And documentation officer, Rodiel Valmeo. Ito, nagkamera. And Bonil Sambilan. These are the vacant positions. External Vice President, General Secretary, Assistant Secretary, and we will open new committees. No? Committees for ways and means and ways. No? Plural na, dahan kayo. Means and ways, but you are not means person. Hindi ka means and ways ka. Then we have the Community Development Officer, Committee. Basta natin outreach program, ikay ma-assign. And so on and so forth. Ato ng istoryahan, taon-taon. But ato sa pastoryahon, atong ilailahon, ang ato sa officers, no? Ato sila kusran lang pangal, kurso, edad, kugsuging tindahan. Alright, let's start with the President.
Hey, good morning everyone. I am Jacqueline Bukay and I am the President. I am 18 years old and I am taking this Business Administration major in Operations Management. So here are my co-officers, my internal vice president. So good morning everyone. Again, I am Laika Remiticado, the internal vice president of Junior Business Executive. So if you have questions or problems regarding the affairs within the organization, so you are very free to ask me. So and I am also a business administration student, third year college, and that's all. I am Ronaldin Tabar, taking up bachelor's years, so 18 years.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Jerome Anggupat, second year student at College of Business Administration.
Hello everyone, as you have already known, I'm January Dakayana. I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management. Actually, she is my classmate and she was my ex-classmate.
Oh, I thought girlfriend. I thought girlfriend.
I am 18 years old. 18 pa ko, ikaw. Oh, wala ka ako katrabaho. Ilang ako. I am Ronel Balmeo, first year, 16 years old, regular. First year na regular ko, then 16, so ako may documentation. Pag-ura ko niya.
Ay, mo to.
Ay, yung sorry ah. Fourth year na na.
Fourth year.
Konti na na.
Buhon, may tap.
Kung na may questions about the organization, feel free to ask one sa kasa na mo. Nakita na mo thank you, that's all.
Alright, thank you, officers. So, karon, ato lang ginsayo larong klaro sa tao, ha? Sige. Who wants to be an officer? Isang kamot. Kisa ganahan ang imong officer.
Balik, sir. Balik. Balik.
Kisa ganahan libre ang graduation fee.
Kisa ganahan libre ka sa ACT. Ato nang i-file ni Congressman o niya, ha? Makikang tanan na imong scholar niya. No? Plural form, ano verb scholars pa niya. Okay, kung scholar ako, sarap yung i-approve, no? Scholars. Okay. So, kini. So, ayun sa mag-ulit taon-taon, don't worry because our orientation today will not take so long. No? Before 12, we will go home. So, mga lagun, sige, mag-ulit na ta. Before 12. Ha? Isang palain. Sige. Pagkahan ba nahimong officer, ganahan nahimong officer, nagusulti ninyo, ha? I am the advisor. In case, officer na unya kapuhon, being an officer, you will not wait for my signal or my isa man. Kung sa'y paabuto ni mo, ang akong command, do not wait. Being an advisor, I need to advise. Not to command, not to execute anything for the group, but I am here to advise. Being an advisor, it is not necessary as well that I need to advise every time. No? Dapat sa, in case naagit tayo activity, no? Plural form of verb, activities, no? Kamo, being an officer, kamoy mo execute, kamoy mangitak paagi, unsay angay ninyong buhatan. Isuwat na sa bond paper, ipakita sa advisor, then panguntangan ng advisor. Sir, is this okay? Is this wrong? Is this correct? Or what? That's the time the advisor will say, ang inyong buhaton ingon ani, morning ingon. That's the job ng advisor, right? So, bihan mo, kung officer mo, dapat ka mo naging. Dili ang advisor. Because this is junior business executive. Correct? Junior business executive. Meaning executive na ka, kung officer ka. So, ikaw na, is your free reign. No, ikaw na bahala. Kung gusto yung makaayon sa organization. I want you to know, before ma-end ang first semester, ato nang i-link ang ACT sa University of San Carlos o University of San Jose Recolatos. Meaning, kung mag-graduate ka sa ACT, ang imong diri o ang imuha, halahan na imuha, no? Ha? Ang diri o ang imuha, ha? Imong galamhan, dapat mo compete na sa USJR o sa UST. So proud na ka, no? Wala ka. Graduate with ACT, Business Administration. Unsa man? Sukol ka? Ha? Di ba? If in case gani, no? Muli, hanap kita mga ACP, mauwaw man ta, no? Di ka sila. Juan Ray, dapat yan imol ay. Di ka sila. Dapat yan imol, dapat ba sa Landbang? San Carlos? Hapit na. Hapit na. Teaching mo na yung sila. I'm from Asian College of Technology. International Educational Foundation. Butang international. Kaya pang international na. Again, in ACP, we fly high. Claro? So if we fly high, kung mangambak tayo sa sniper, we know how to fly. Diba? Because in ACP, we fly high. Diba? Claro? So, meaning ay, since kada may company statement sa ACP ang fly high, kung pangutanan ang gawas, din ka wala. In ACP, with wings. Hindi ka wala. ACP ko, with wings. Ano, with wings man lang? Because in ACP, we fly high. So, karon ha, pag-officer, ikaw, no? Magagahan ka. Because, ningon niyo ko, no? Di-promise ko, tigala, nga I will not leave junior business executive unless na ay ma-employ nga mahimong manager.
Dugay ba?
No? Dugay kayo, no? Pero may ni ba, talit na ito eh. Kinsa may nag-ingon na si Kanir Romoron? Sila. Ikaw ang kabatay? Hindi ka ba? Diba? Last time, first year ang class, first semester, first year. Ano na ka-ACP, no? Nakaw-lakaw na yun ka, ba, no? Uso na ACP, wow! Niluta pagsunod rin mo sa ACP, wow! Na-escalator, nice ka din eh, no? ACP eh? Saka ka saan? Saka na sa sport class. Abot na sa silver, dagan-dagan ka rito. Yes, ACP din eh, karo kaya. Pero panawa, that was the first day of class, first year, first semester. Pero karon, second year na mo. Dali, ang panahon ni Galawin, no? But the next natong panagkita, you are an executive na higala. Meaning, manager na kita. Okay? Manager na ka. So, paningamot ha? Officer. Again, na-i-open na rin dapat officer, butabang. But ano yung pagkanahan na ito yung flash na diya ha? Sabi ba, CR ta flash, no? Flash na ito. Alright. So, bilang sa kumayang salamat, kaya naman, mubalik ko karong taon-taon. Ha? Stay in because ang DYHP sa TAC RMN, mubalik pa taon-taon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ben. And before we proceed with the topic matter, I'll ask to tell you that we are proud to say that we are the pioneering officers of junior business executives, starting from its establishment or existence. So Farah here is the former treasurer, and I am the committee head on industry and engagement. Before, we are your hosts for today. So much for that, we will begin with the introduction of what is JDE and its history. So before that, we will have our
Game.
energizer, which is the game. So let me call now Ms. Ramil Lardy to tell you about the first game. Dali naman po. Ito naman ba ha?
Sila tulong.
Ako sila ikalong.
There are nag-season.
Hi, good afternoon yung pangalang Claire Ann. Kanang mag-game sa karalo, yung year the battle. So, kailangan ng space na lang. Pwede? Ako pala na. Asa ba to?
Bukad. Butilya.
Okay, kanang. Guys, kanang kailangan na may 8 na po kalalaki. Sige na ba?
Jacqueline. Kunya na na ini abot sa mga representative.
May namatay ka. So, nanginangan lang ni o nine sa kabang kababae. Dali, brief you. Can you promise my...
Ayaw patungot ko. Ayaw patungot ko.
Volunteer night ka, girl. Ang ato mga boys na nagtatabatos kay pwede ba rin sa mga...
Lalaki. Okay naman. Okay naman. Kaya ba ako bukan ng soklok-soklok? Like,
Nag-30 na ka, virgin Japon ka. Dali, dayo may ka.